Air Carbs. Max Air Carbs. You the man, Max. Thank you very much. That's my exhaust. You see here? See that oil? That's from the valve cover. I need to seal that better at the back. That's why the light smoke. I peeked inside, boosters. Everything is perfect. I really appreciate it, Max. This is just a very short video. My battery in the cell phone is almost dead. I didn't expect to make a video. See, I need to tighten this up a little. It's first start. That's fine. And thanks again for this bolt hole stripped through the main body. Thanks, Max. Like I said, just gonna tighten this up a bit. Up top here. I purposely took care not to over tighten this fitting here. So anyway, I'm gonna take care of that. And that's it. Thanks very much, Max. And thank you, Eric, for pointing me in Max Air Carbs' direction. All right, I'm gonna end this before it ends itself. As I stated, this battery is almost dead in the cell phone. Max Air Carbs.